Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent unmarked unscratched condition, as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork, which really does look fantastic. We've got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle. We've got the black kidney grills. Coming round to the side, we've got our second alloy wheel, again with those blue M Sports calipers. We've got some M Sports badging. We've got a side skirt just there. Colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows, shark fin antenna on top. Here's a quick look at that interior whilst we're working our way around. We've then got our third alloy wheel. Spoiler lip at the back just here. Good space boost as well if we open it up like so. We do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust on the bottom left, and as you can see the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a look at that last alloy wheel. Let's go on to the interior. So we've got the full coral red Dakota leather interior, which looks absolutely superb. ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got the fold down armrest. We've got the vents in the centre just there. We've then got this lovely coral red leather trim on the doors with the electric window control, brushed metal handle. We've got the integrated speakers and additional storage. Going on to the front, we've got that same full coral red interior. Again, looks absolutely superb. On the doors, we've got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds incredible. Electric power folding wing mirrors, electric window controls, as well as the brushed metal handle and more of this coral red interior. Stepping inside, we've got our auto lights on the right there. We'll close the door up, foot on the brake, start stop button. Now we'll just wait for that. As you can see, we've got no warning lights on the dashboard, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 74,000 miles. Got our multifunctional steering wheel in front with speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears. We've got our auto wiper stalk on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. We've then got our infotainment screen in the middle, so on here you'll find things like navigation. You've then got different forms of media connectivity, things like DAB, DMB and FM radio, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. You've then got phone connectivity, so you can connect your phone via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Put the vehicle into reverse. You'll see we've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors. And now if I put the vehicle into park, you'll see we've also got different driving modes like Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. So with each one of these modes, the driving characteristics of the car will change to suit. Moving down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got dual zone climate controls just below with heated seats for both front passengers. Convenient shortcuts as well like Max AC. We've then got some additional storage just below, 2 good sized cup holders with 12 volt connectivity. We've got our gear stick just here. If you're not familiar with these, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, flick it across to the left, that'll take us into manual/sport. So as it is, we're in sport, but then if we change up or down, it'll actually take us into manual mode and we can go down or up a gear like so. So if you do want to take manual control of the gears, you can use the gear stick or the paddle shifters, whichever you prefer. It's nice to have that versatility. We've then got a button for our parking sensors and a button for our traction control as well, and there is our mode select. We've got our control wheel and touchpad for the infotainment screen with the different shortcuts. soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. You can see we've got USB and auxiliary connections in there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me in today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 335D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise button, push up on this trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I can simply press the cruise control button again or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, down to 4th, back to 5th, 6th and 7th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, they're completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are just taking a left at the roundabout here, as if you were here with us in the car today. And it's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle. We've got these incredibly comfortable coral red Dakota leather seats, which are also heated for the front passengers as well. We've then got our premium Harman Kardon sound system, which ties in nicely with the infotainment screen, where we've got plenty of great features like DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, the list goes on. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared, so we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park while perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works exactly how it should. So I'm turning in now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Go very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, no problems. Front and rear visual sensors on the screen there, all working exactly as you would expect. Now we are about to go over a speed bump as well, so listen out for any noises. There we go. As you can tell, throughout this whole journey, there's been no knocks, no bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed, now the online photos, a video walk around or this test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.